Welcome to this AI creation class, right? Let's begin. So, my name is Victor. Nice to meet you. So, now, whenever you want to create an AI content, right, you have to first of all think of an idea. That is one. If you can't really think of an idea, you can just search on the internet, right, for an idea. You can for like some content ideas on TikTok, on Instagram, or whatsoever. Get an idea, right, and then get information about those ideas. Now, how to create content that are for like profit based, that is value exchange, for content that is like for business owners, or you create for your own business. What you need is information about that particular business, right? Get as much information about that particular business as possible, right? Then you're going to get the scripts, right, to put on the AI tool, or the prompt, right? Put on the AI tool. So sorry, I meant prompt, but the way I spelled this is an error. But the script or prompt, right? Then the last thing is the tool. So there are different AI tools to use, and you're going to see me use some of them, right? Okay, so this is the script that we are going to use to create an ad video for a barbing salon, right? So let me show you what the my friend sent me. He's a barber, so this is the information that he sent me, right? This information here, and this is what we are going to use to create this ad for him. So now all the scripts is going to be in the video, beside the video, right? You can check it on the website. So now this is what you're going to send the client, right? This is what you're going to send the client to send you the information, right, that you are going to use in creating ad video for them. So if you're creating ad video for your client, this is what you send them. So when I sent him this, he gave me this one. This is, you see, his reply, right, to what I sent. Let me cut this and take it up. Let me paste it here. So be very organized with what you're doing. Be very organized with what you're doing. This is it. This is the information. The business name, Jojo Cuts, is the business name. Hairstylist, and sell hairs, cream, and whatsoever, right? So etc. And then this is the location, right, he gave, and then this is the time that he's available. So this is what we're going to use on this script that is down, this script here, right? I'm going to edit the script, put all of those information there. So for example, create is prompt for me for video generation on VEO about a young Nigerian lady or guy, right? So let me just remove this lady. You can edit this based on your own preference, right? So about a guy in his mid 20s or 30s. So whichever one you want, right? Let me just cut this, but you get the point. So I'll do all of the whole editing, infuse all of this information he gave me, and then arrange it in the script, and then we'll go into the next section. So now I've carefully arranged my scripts, right, and organized everything properly. So now this is my main script. Now this from here down to here, yeah. So this is my main script, right? So I'm going to copy it, but let me just read the script out so you understand the concept of how I wrote the script. So now create a prompt for me for video generation on VEO, right, about a young Nigerian guy in his mid-20s standing on the streets of Nigeria with a signboard written. Now you can see this is the name of the business, right? This my barber's business, right, my friend. So that is what you're going to put, the name. You can see why you collected the name of your client behind him, and saying the following script. Right now, this following script is this: need a fresh cut, come to Jojo Cuts, skill barbers, top-notch products and vibes to match, classic fades to latest trend. We have got you. Book now or swing by. Now we are located, this is location, you can see all the information that he gave. We are located in Chescon area along House of Assembly quarters. Open from the time that that they are open. You can see all the information he gave. It's what I embedded in the script. Open from 8 a.m. to 11 p.m. on Monday. Now Monday to Saturday. Now what you're going to do is to copy this whole prompt, and you're going to take it to a platform, right? Gemini.ai, right, is the next platform. Well, let me just type it here. Gemini here. So this is the other platform that we can use to create these videos, right? This platform gives you access to like create AI videos, right, by just putting prompts, right, pasting prompts. So what we're going to do here, I have a pro account, but you don't have a pro account, right? You don't have a pro account. This is the website Gemini, right? You can see GMINI, right? So Gemini.google is a Google platform, right? So what we are going to do is to come down here to to this place, right? And we are going to tap on this create video. See this create video, we have tapped on it, and then we're now going to do try now. That is nano banana. So not image, I said video, create video. Good. So you can see the sign of video, right? It has shown. So what you're going to do is to paste that prompt. We're going to paste that prompt that we copied, right? And then we are going to now send. Now we're not going to wait for it to like generate, and we're going to wait to see the result that it gives us. So it's generating. Sometimes it might keep on generating and be wasting time, so all you have to do is just to refresh the screen. But let's just hope that it does that or do that. So it's taking more than it can chew, right? So what you're going to do is just to refresh the page, right? And the video is going to automatically be there, because that's what it does sometimes. So if it takes more time than necessary, you should just refresh the page and you're going to see the video, hopefully. Okay, you can generate 2 more today. Good, see it here. So this is the video it has generated. Let's play it and let's see. Good, so you can see.
Need a fresh cut? Come to Jojo_cuts. Skilled barbers, top-notch products, and vibes to match. Classic fades to latest trends. Need a fresh cut? Come to Jojo_cuts. Skilled barbers, top.
So you can see the mistake I made was that underscore I saw this. So
top-notch products and vibes to match. Classic fades to latest trends.
Good. So what you can do is just tap on this download, right? So it means that we still have to work on the script. You can see that you are giving only 2 generations, right, to generate. So now let me show you something. See, the video is already, it has downloaded, and that is how you get these videos. Good. So so let's go back to the script and let me show you something on the script. So you can see from the script here, it hasn't finished giving us the whole thing, right? Like the top-notch vibes to match, okay, classic fades and all of this. We've got you. We've got you. So book now. So I think from here, this classic fade, we've got you. We're going to copy it down. Copy, right? And what we're going to do is to go back to this place and then paste it here. Now what you're going to do is to write this. Do this again, but this time make the guy say this, right? Make the guy say this. So that's what you're going to do. Now we're now going to tap on send and let's do it again. So it's going to completely finish the rest of what he has started, right? Because this gives you very few seconds to generate video. So you're going to do the same process. If it takes time, you will refresh your phone, right? For it to give you the video. So let's wait for it and see what it gives us. So this is what it gives us, and let's play it.
Classic fades to latest trends, we've got you. Book now or swing by. We are located in Chescon area along House of Assembly quarters. Classic.
Good, so you just download it, right? So now you're done for it.